welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian and I'm here to teach you how to make money online, offline, whatever. This is the number one channel for making money online. So, if you are new to the channel, hit this bell, hit this button here that says subscribe, and let's jump into the video. Today I have a very cool topic. Um, it's for what to expect if you are brand new in entrepreneurship or in any business. I will show you on this whiteboard what to expect. So let's hop into the video. So let's say this is income, this line, and this will be time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years, let's say, for example. And here will be your income. This is how you will experience the income in time. And here it's like 1,000 pounds, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. And like, for example, this is year number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I put in year, so it will be a little bit better to understand. Let's say you are here, year number 0. You making on your job like this amount, 2,000 pounds a month, and you decide to start an Amazon FBA business. So you're here 0, and you're starting the business, you're starting to make your first list, your first product, and all of a suddenly, let's say after 1 year, here you're losing 1,000 pounds a month, and it's a natural path. Everything that's starting brand new, that is new, that with no experience, will make mistakes. It's nowhere around, unfortunately. But with what you're doing here, not only you're losing money, but you buy experience with this money. Actually, you can see it that way. With this money, you actually buy experience. And okay, first year you lose money. Second year, again you lose some money here because another some bad decision. Now maybe you are 15,000 a month you're losing. Obviously, I'm speaking this capital you have, like it's your own saving, or I think if you borrow money, uh, it's not very good idea to borrow money to start a business. So better to starting with your own money, in my opinion. Then you can do whatever you want actually. And you're making, okay, you're here making some bad decision, still nothing. Okay, now this time you buy experience, you bought a lot of experience, and another opportunity comes out. You maybe uh, find someone that go bankrupt, and you buy all his inventory at very cheap price, and you find out this, and you say, oh, wait a minute, if I buy the inventory so low, I actually can resell it for profit. And now you kind of only break it. Let's say you are here breaking even. Now with all this experience, now you kind of know what you do, and let's say you're not still 100% sure, but you know what to do. Okay, now you started making profits. I draw it straight away so it will look nice. You break even here. Now you find someone else maybe go bankrupt, and you bought his inventory again for very cheap, and you're making 2k a month now. Yeah, you now making the same money as your job. uh, Here can be a decision to uh, go full time with your business, or keep going with your job. But eventually, because when naturally will happen when your business will grow to this amount. Probably you'll have doing both things, you're not gonna have too much time, so you really kind of have to focus more on your business in order to be able to grow it. Also, if you are already here, basically means you already overpassed this period here that most people will stop here. They lose 1,000 pounds and okay, I'm stopping because I don't see any way out. So okay, I'm going back to my job, to the safe place. But if you overcome this, you know now what is a good decision to take and bad decision to take. You already kind of have all the bad decisions taken here, and you're not gonna make it the second time. So now the curve will become even more, your income will grow even faster and faster after the fourth year, fifth year, and eventually, yeah, will kind of slow down because you can't grow forever at this pace, but kind of it's still can be grow. After this drop, you'll experience uh, the most the most grow in your business. So yeah, pretty much is this is called the J curve. I hope so. I explained it as best as I could. If you have any question, leave it in the comments down below. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.